Hello guys, uyu munsi nkuzaniye video ngiye kwereka ibintu byinshi wakora kuri file yawe ya PDF. Urugero ushaka gufata PDF ukayihindura muri Word, ushaka gufata Excel ukayijyana muri ukayihindura PDF, ushobora gufata ifoto ukayihindura muri PDF, ushobora gukora ibintu byinshi bitandukanye with PDF. So urugero hano kuri desktop yanjye mfite file ya PDF, so you can see it. Turamutse turebye size yayo urabona ko ifite kilobyte 356. Okay, so let's open, double click. So now when you see here we have two pages, like one and like two, page 2. So we can split this PDF as well, dushobora kuyigabanyamo kabiri. So ni ibintu byoroshye, urupapuro rukajya ukwarwo cyangwa se tukongera tukamatchinga that PDF ari byo kuyihuza. So how to do it nibyo ngiye kwereka uyu munsi. Okay, let's open this. So we open our browser, then I go to this website, I love pdf.com. Okay, so this is all you can do with this PDF. So you can merge PDF, split the PDF, compress PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF. So a lot of tools here. It is wonderful tool, right? So you can go to here, convert PDF. So you can convert to PDF or you can convert from PDF. All tools here, so you can see all things you can do with this website. It is amazing website, right? Okay, so let's have an example. So let's first compress this PDF. As you say that before twavuze ko iyi PDF yacu ifite size ya 355 kilobytes, so which is too big size. So let's go to this website, then you go to compress PDF. Here tugiye kuyigabanyiriza navuga size, compress PDF. Okay, select PDF or drop it. So let me drop it here, then you go here, compress PDF. Okay, so guys, you see it is from now 356.17 kilobyte ijya kuri 78.30 kilobyte, which is very good. So guys, you see now it is here. I can open folder. There you see my file here now. When I go to size, let's go to property. Guys, you can see our file now yageze kuri 78.3 kilobyte. Good. Okay, so let's see another thing we can do with this file. So let's split this PDF. Split PDF. I go to this spreadsheet, then I go to, so then hano I go split by range or extract pages. You see hano biraba byitandukanije ariko n'ubundi biraza bifatanya, ariko ubona ko ari urupapuro rumwe, page ya mbere iri n'iya kabiri, ariko byose biri muri PDF imwe nanone. Ariko nitujya kuri extract page, buri rupapuro ruraza ukwarwo. Okay, let's say like this, we want this. If we have more pages, like we have 30 pages, we can extract only 2 or 3 pages from the PDF file, but here we have 2, so we are going to extract this or 2. Then I go to split PDF. When I go to download splitted PDF here, I download the file. Now you see guys, it is now extracted. Let's extract this one, extract all. Okay, let's extract all from here. Okay guys, you see now we have our 2 pages. When I click here, I have 1 page. You can see I only have 1 page. When I click here again, guys, you see I have one page again. So as well, if I have two pages, different pages, I can again combine this PDF, which is I go back to this and then I go to match PDF. So match PDF, select file. Okay guys, let's select this file again. I select these two file, then I upload it to website, then I go to match PDF. So this takes a second, then we go to download merged PDF. Yeah, so now it is already merged. So when I go to file, then I see I love PDF merged file. When I open the file, guys, you see now I have what I need. So it is now one file. So as we have seen that you can do many things. Okay, let's change PDF to Word. I go to PDF to Word, I go to select PDF file, I click, then I go, let's say I need this, only this, then I go to open. Okay, so my file is here. Now convert PDF with selectable text to edit to Word file. Okay, I go to convert icon. Okay, now so we download our PDF that have been converted to Word. Simple. When I click here open, okay, so Word is opening now. Okay, so now you see our Word has been, our PDF has been converted to Word. Now you can edit, you can do what, you can do what. So you can add something here, like you can reference APA format. So I can add what I need, I can add whatever I want from this to so you can see guys, this tool is very helpful. This website, it is very helpful. The website is called ilovepdf.com. Okay, thank you for watching.